The 2 is around.
Bergmeister drives him to the wall, down the front straightaway, rubbing into the wall,
around.
and he crashes
Big
him.
crash.